Another feather in my cap, like I'd also told you guys, that my superbike, that is the Diablo Black ZX10R 2024, was the first one in entire Andhra Pradesh region. I am very positive and I am very confident in telling that this is the only helmet in India. I am very confident this is the only helmet in India, because a lot of people, I had searched online, I had searched on YouTube, I had searched on Insta, unboxing of this particular model and to see ownership reviews of this helmet. But everybody in India has bought the 40,000 rupees green color of KRE Plus model and not this one. So I am very happy. That is why I went the extra mile to make sure that, if my bike is unique, so is going to be my helmet. Finally, the helmet is here. I had ordered it from Italy. It's come all the way from Italy, and I was expecting it to come much later because the estimated delivery date, it was showing something around 12th or probably 13th of Jan. But today is the 6th of January and it is here. I'm super excited because it is a brand new helmet and it is the only one in India. So just wait, watch the video till the end and you will understand which helmet it is. It costs 50,000 rupees. I'm not even kidding, it costs 50,000 rupees, so just wait and watch. For people who ask why spend so much money on a helmet, safety comes first, okay? Safety comes first. If you can spend 20,000 per month on alcohol and clothes, I don't understand why you can't spend 50,000 once in life to get the safest helmet. Right out of that. లేదంటే డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేసేయండి. ఓటీపీ ఏమైనా వస్తుందా? పేరు ఎక్కడుంది? అంతేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. So it is here, it's finally here. As you guys can see, it's FedEx Express. It's come all the way from Italy. I don't know where it's written, Italy, but I'm sure somewhere it's gonna be there. So yeah, stay tuned, let's go unbox this. Look at this. So for all of you that were wondering which helmet it is the MT KRE Plus full carbon helmet. So now even in this there are two kinds of coloring, okay, from what I've observed online. In India you have this green color version available, okay. Even Pranav from Bikers Hub, which I had mentioned in the previous video, even Pranav from Bikers Hub has got this 40,000 helmet, but this is the green color. Now I did not want green because the color scheme that I am going for is a full matte black bike with a black racing suit or a black jacket and a black helmet as well. So I wanted the black helmet. So then afterwards I browsed through a lot of sites. I went through a lot of portals trying to get this helmet in India, but it is not available. So I had to find out where it is available where it is available internationally. Then I went through a lot of sites and then I got to know the name of this helmet and then I searched for it online. And then I got to know it is available at Motostorm. So this is a store which is located in Italy. So then afterwards I had to place the order from Motostorm Italy and the order has arrived. Oops. There you go. This is the color, guys. This is the color. You get this entire box. As you guys can see, it is this. So basically the helmet that I have got is MT KRE Plus A11 Gloss Black. That is the color scheme. I've got the size L, which is probably around 58, 59 sizes if anybody else wants to measure. One of the good things about this MT KRE Plus helmet is it is FIM Racing certified. So basically it means it's the highest level of safety, highest level of certification that a helmet can get. It means that even in all the racing competitions, this is the minimum standard of certification that helmets are required to be. Now let's go on to the unboxing. You get this nice bag. So just putting everything together. So you have the tear off over here, you have the pin lock over here. And here's the bag itself. It's a good bag, it's a good sturdy bag. What's your buy? Okay. Plenty of soft padding on the inside. Now the moment of truth. I'm not seeing an extra visor. That is concerning me. So this is just an additional strap. Ignore these apples. Ignore them apples. So this is a 50,000 rupee helmet. So it's KRE plus snake carbon. Now the moment of truth. Let's remove it. Can you see this? Oh shit. I'm telling you, it's super amazing. It's very heavy, you know. First of all, it is very heavy. So basically, this is the one that I had previously. It was probably around 5,000, 6,000, 7 years ago when I had bought it. And then this is the new helmet that I've got today. So right off the cover, the first thing I'm noticing is this is very light. Okay, this is very light. Whereas this helmet, it is very heavy, and to be honest, I'm not even exaggerating, it is heavy. Okay, so this is the entire helmet. Okay, there you have it, KRE plus, and it is the KRE plus full carbon structure. It has come with a clear visor. It was supposed to also have a dark visor, so I don't know why that dark visor is not here. So something that I'll have to coordinate with those people. So this is the locking mechanism. This is to lock the visor in place. See, as you can see, you heard that knock. So basically it is to lock the visor in place, and then afterwards you press this. Just a minute. Yeah, you just press this and then the visor automatically opens up. These are all the vents, and there is venting here, there's venting here. You can see here, I know it's also got a spoiler for the helmet itself. I don't know how often you come across that where a helmet has got a spoiler, right? I've not seen cars with spoilers, and here there is a helmet with a spoiler. So this is the helmet, MT helmets, DOT certified. There is plenty of padding inside. Okay, it is plenty of padding inside, and this is the D-lock pin. Okay, so this is the D double ring, some mechanism it is called. There you have it, guys. That was the entire unboxing. Now that is the helmet that I had ordered. Finally it is here. Finally it is here. Believe it or not, a lot of my friends, when they saw me riding around on the superbike but with that helmet, they had a lot of mean things to say. So they were telling that you have bought a superbike but you can't afford a helmet. So here it is. For all those people, this is the helmet that I had purchased. I was just waiting for the right time because it was on its way. It was getting shipped from Italy, and finally it is here. For more ownership reviews and when I wear it, when I try it on to see how it fits and to see the weight factor and all of that, stay tuned, stick around for the following video, subscribe to the channel, because very soon, now that I have got this helmet, I had not set up the motovlogging setup. So just to pick up where we left off, because the phone switched off. So I had not got the motovlogging setup on this because of course it was a whole helmet and I was going to change it anyway. So now that I've got this helmet, I am going to very soon have the entire motovlogging setup, and the rides are going to commence very soon. I'll mention the link down below for you guys to check out MotorStorm, and also contact Pranav from Bikers Hub for any merchandise that you guys do need from India or from abroad. He will definitely get it shipped for you. Do subscribe to the channel, do hit the like button if you like this video, do share it with everybody that's enthusiastic about such kind of helmets and expensive helmets. Well, that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.